I just wanted to give an update on some of our severe and strong weather. There are these two supercells. They are currently merging. Once these two merge, we can possibly see this storm turn severe and maybe even have more of a tornado threat with it. Might be getting our first tornado of the year. The main storm, oh my goodness, there it is. There's going to be a tornado right now. There's likely a tornado on the ground. The National Weather Service will probably be warning this very soon. Yes, there's a tornado on the ground. To begin this story, we have to go back to March 5th at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At this time, I made my severe weather outlook for the following day, being March 7th here in Michigan. It was a slight risk area in the southwest and a larger marginal risk for areas from about US 10 and south. This risk was mainly wind, but also hail to the marginal risk. A small tornado threat was also on the table with a hatched area for EF2 tornadoes possible. I was confident that if a tornado happened, it could become strong. Going into the day of the storms, the SPC had that area under a marginal 2% tornado risk with no hatch. I updated my outlook for basically the same hazards as I had the day before, besides a few changes in location and no hatched risk for large hail. The tornado threat had been locked down with a supercell or two likely to track east-northeast and cause some big problems. Little did I know how big the problems would be. At about 2:30 in the afternoon, I had checked soundings and mesoscale analysis and figured that an ongoing supercell had the potential to be the main show. So I put out my own little tornado watch for the areas that may be affected by it, saying that a tornado or two is possible with some developing supercells. My confidence in that was only about 50% that this would happen, being that only about two small supercells had formed and that they weren't even very strong yet, but they were moving into a very unstable environment. And about 20 minutes later, I posted this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Logan's Weather Channel. I just wanted to give an update on some of our severe and strong weather. Down in southwest Michigan, here in Berrien County, there are these two supercells. This more northern one centered over Niles, and the more southern one west of Bertrand. They are currently merging. The one near Niles was special weather statemented in Indiana, and it got a little bit stronger. And then once this merger kind of started to catch up to it, started to kind of lose its rotation and lose all of that. But now, I'm guessing once these two merge, after that happens here in the next couple of miles near Cassopolis, we can possibly see this storm turn severe and maybe even have more of a tornado threat with it, with the stronger rotation and a better updraft after they merge. So definitely just watch out for this. I had no clue just how quickly this would turn dangerous, and just before 3:10, I posted this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Logan's Weather Channel. We might be getting our first tornado of the year in the next few minutes, as after that merger, the storm did strengthen, and look at this tight couplet here on velocities. You can see there's strong rotation going in and out here, swirling around this mesocyclone away and towards the radar. The main storm, oh my goodness, there it is. There's going to be a tornado right now. Watch out in Cassopolis, Penn, all here east of Berrien County. Just watch out for this storm. There is likely a tornado on the ground. The National Weather Service will probably be warning this very soon. Yes, there is a tornado on the ground, almost 100%. There is definitely a tornado on the ground. Watch out here in this, which is Cass County. Definitely here, watch out in Cass County here for a possible tornado on the ground right now. As soon as I finished that video, I made a tornado warning for that storm at 3:10 p.m. It was perfect timing because 1 minute later at 3:11, this tornado touched down. Then, at 3:14, the NWS issued their tornado warning after the tornado was already ongoing for 3 minutes. That tornado was an EF1, but there was more to come. Then this supercell dropped in EF2 in Three Rivers, and then this EF3 in Union City. The supercell then went on to produce an EF0 and then die off as a linear system moved through. thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.